Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, my name is Srushti Keshatar and our PBL project topic is COVID donation payment interface, and the motive is to make payment secure by using payment gateway integration. And my team members are Akash Giri, Omkar Joshi, Palak Baralia, and the initiative is to COVID relief fund for the COVID suffered families. And remaining slides are explained by my fellow team members.
Hello everyone, I am Palak Baralia. Now I will start with introduction of our project. A payment gateway facilitates a payment transaction by the transfer of information between a payment portal and the front-end processor or acquiring bank. Now I will continue with our project scope and objectives. As online transaction continue to increase and become significant part of global economy, the ability to accept payments online becomes more important for businesses. Payment gateway plays a vital role in online transaction process and authorizes transaction between merchants and customers. It helps e-commerce platform aggravate its existence with ease of payments to offer to its customers. Now Akash will explain working of our project.
Hello everyone, my name is Akash Giri and I will tell you about the code and the working of our project. So we have done our project in HTML and CSS. So these are the HTML pages and this is the code. So and this is the CSS file. Now I'll show you the working of our code. So I have hosted my website at webhost.com. So when we press donate, we can donate for the COVID relief fund. We can enter any amount. Name, email ID is compulsory, as you will get a receipt on your payment receipt on your email ID. So there are various options for payment: card, UPI, net banking, wallet. I prefer UPI and QR code. So as this is a dummy site, it will automatically show that payment successful. Here is the payment ID, and after we click done, we will get an email ID as a payment receipt. So this is how our program works. Now Omkar will continue with the next slides and topics.
Hello everyone, this is Omkar Joshi over here. I'll tell you about the motivation of our project. The main whenever we do some donation, the every client or the every user has a fear that what if this is a fraud? What the main cause for which he is donating, if the money is not used for that cause? Well, now here comes in the picture is our online payment gateway. For customers to be able to seamlessly make a purchase through our website or a program, it is vital to have a convenient and secure gateway program. Okay, now moving towards from motivation to the application. The main application of our project of an online payment is to approve the transaction between the merchant and the customer. It plays a vital role on the online transaction process and authorize of transaction between merchants and the customers only. The very first and the very first cause for our doing this project is that it helps in e-commerce platform aggravate its existence with a series of payments to offer to its customers. Beside, it also leads to the e-commerce platform gaining support for leading to not only quick and secure payments but also convenience and success with the same time. Now, I'd like to Srushti to continue with the next part of this project.
So here is the last point, but not least, which is the literature survey. And here we can see that there are two categories of people, and the blue part is big, and which is 75%, and the red part is 25% that is remaining. So category one, which is 75%, is the group of people which is satisfied by this project because it is easy to use and very convenient for us. And the category two is a group of people which are still stick to old old payment methods. And thank you everyone.